Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial on creating a coming soon page on Squarespace. How are you going to do that? The easy answer to this question is that it is only 3 to 4 steps ahead. So let's just dive into what we're going to do. First of all, the most crucial step is that you need to go to your Squarespace website, and there you are going to sign up using a Google account or using a suitable password, and after that you will be directed to this homepage. Or if you already are a user of Squarespace, then you are simply going to go log in, add your password, and this is going to be the dashboard that will appear. Now, if you are already a user of Squarespace, all of the websites that usually you create are going to appear over here. The type of the websites that you save or these websites that you're publishing, all of them are going to be appearing over here. Basically, all your work will be appearing over here. Or if you are new, then this is the type of the dashboard that is going to appear. So let's just teach from the scratch that how you're going to create a website and then how you are going to put a coming soon page on your website in Squarespace. So first of all, you see there's an option of creating website. I'm going to go into this. Now you're supposed to answer some simple questions so that you will be able to create a website and choose a template for your website. You see, they're asking what's your site about. So it could be about photography, design, education, consulting, arts, health, marketing. You know there are numerous options, but still if you're unable to find whatever you're looking for, then you can simply go type it over here. So let's just say I'm looking for education or consulting. Let's just say education. And you're going to click on next. Then you're going to tell that what do you want to do with your website. Either you're looking for appointments, either you are looking to collect donations, or you're promoting an event with a project, you're building a community, and choose whatever you want. You can choose all of them. This is the most crucial step. Now you're about to choose a template, or you are going to build a template using Blueprint AI. So if you think you have a special idea of your own, then what you're going to do is answer some simple questions through AI, and it will completely set up a new template for you. But if you think that you don't have any idea of your own, you're looking for ideas from Squarespace according to the question that you've answered, then these are going to be all the templates that are available. You see, there are total 9 templates that are available according to the answers that I've given. So let's just say I'm choosing this one. You can also change the designs of these according to whatever you want. It might take a minute to load your site, and after that you will be able to load your coming page. So when you come over here, you see there's an option to edit. You can simply go edit your site. Let's just say I'm going to change the site title by going to edit site header. I'm going to get rid of this text. Here I am going to enter my site title. Let's say it is summer color. This is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to save it, and it might take a while to save. I will be coming back to this page and try to show you guys that how we are going to turn our page, or the page we're looking for, we're going to turn it into the coming soon page. So you see, what you're going to do is go to your websites, and then you're going to your pages, because this is the place where you're going to get your coming soon page. Let's just say I'm looking for the lesson packages or schedule. Just click on it. You see there's a gear option. You need to go over here. Now what you're going to do is duplicate this page. I am going to duplicate it because I am looking forward to it as my home page. So I'm going to write it. Just say I write here, this is my coming soon page. Now you're going to enter it and you see that this is completely done. This is going to be my coming soon page. What I'm going to do is go to this gear option again, and you are going to edit the details if you want. You can also change your URL so that your Google Navigator, it would be easy for it to change it. But if you don't want it, you can simply go click on it and it will be saved as your scheduled one. But if one more thing that you're going to do is you can go add a password over here. You can also go duplicate the page. Now you're going to set it as the home page. You're going to confirm it. And now this coming soon page is going to be your home page. You see, I am going to close this. This coming soon page is going to be my home page. This is the one which is going to appear. And now I'm going to remove all the unnecessary text, and I am going to get rid of this, get rid of this. We're going to delete. Now it's your call to edit all this stuff and make it look like as if it is the, edit page. Now this is, we're going to make it look as if it is the coming soon page. Let's just say I'm writing here, no, I am looking forward for some block. Let's just say I write here, text. I am going to write here, coming soon. I'm going to make it bold. I am going to increase the size. This is it. This is what I'm going to do and put it in the center. You can also make as many changes as you want, and you can click on save, and this is going to appear as your home page, and this is how people are going to check it out. Moreover, they will be able to, let's just see it on the mobile mode. This is how it's going to appear. I hope you completely understood. This is how you're going to make your coming page or coming soon page on Squarespace. My bad. So once we're satisfied with our coming soon page, we are going to launch it. To maximize the impact of our launch, we are going to decide the strategies for promoting our coming soon page. We can explore the social media marketing, influencer partnership, and some other tactics to build the anticipation. So this is how you're going to create your coming soon page on Squarespace. You can also check it out on the mobile mode. You can also check it out on this mode. You see, this is, and what I can do is keep it, I can rearrange it. First of all, I'm going to look at a coming soon page, then there's a home page, then there is a lesson packages, and then there are the schedules. You see, I have created all the pages. I would like to direct to my coming soon page again. Here, people are simply going to look at it, and yeah. You see, it was very easy. So that's it for today's tutorial on creating a coming soon page on Squarespace. I hope you found this very helpful in building the anticipation for your launch. A well-designed coming soon page can help you build a loyal audience and to drive all the engagement that you're looking for. So, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next tutorial. See you.